is Jesus, our high priest. Let's come boldly and receive mercy and find grace. No priest was most certainly ever called great, but this one is our high priest. He is our great high priest. And you know why? It's because no high priest of the Levitical priesthood of that day ever did the things that Jesus did. So what are they? Well, he mentions two things. He says, number one, that Jesus, you'll notice, passed through the heavens. And then later he says in the next verse that he was tempted in all points, in all ways, just as we are, yet was without sin. That's what sets him apart.
Sing hallelujah to the Lord. Sing hallelujah. Sing hallelujah. Sing